how to hard reset Android. And on today's video, we will see how we can hard reset Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Performing a hard reset on an Android device will erase all its data and restore the device to its factory settings. So it is important to back up your data before you perform the hard reset. You can back up your data using Google Drive, an SD card or computer, or if you have any external SD card, you can remove that if you don't want their content get erased. So once you have made that sure, you can hard reset your device. So for that, you have to open up settings in your device, scroll down and tap on system. Once you're here, there you'll find the reset options, tap on it. Then tap on the last option that says factory reset. Here scroll down and look for all of this information given here. In order to confirm, tap on erase all data and confirm your action. After that, you will be asked to enter your PIN, password or pattern, then provide your password or PIN. Once you are verified, the device will reboot and restore to factory settings. But if you have a locked or unresponsive Android device, so in order to hard reset via recovery mode, you have to turn off the device. For that, press and hold the power button until the device powers off. After that, press and hold the volume up plus power buttons and release the buttons when the manufacturer logo or the recovery mode menu appears. And you can use the volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. Select wipe data or factory reset. Then navigate to yes and select it. After the reset is complete, select reboot system now and your device will be reset. After the reset is complete, you have to set up your device like new and restore your backup if needed. And that's how you can hard reset your Android device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.